Jim Howard with Funny Farm Fabrication out of Lytle, Texas. Some of our customers have asked about some of the terminology that we use in our plans. One of them is ripping a 2x4. When you cut and measure and cut a board this way, that's just a regular cut. Ripping it means you're going to cut it lengthwise. So what we want to do is on a 2x4, the standard measurement on one is actually 1 3/4 by 3.5 inches. So what you want to do, in order to make the 2x2s, you want to cut them in half basically. So it's going to be, you're going to be cutting it at about 1 3/4 inches. So we're going to come over here and set our saw up to 1 3/4 inches. And you want that in about the center of the saw blade. And we'll lock it down. And now make sure that you got wood that's fairly straight. If your wood is crooked or twisted or anything, it can kick back on you and cause problems. But this board is fairly straight. For all of our coops, we try and use the #1 yellow pine. It seems to work for us real well. I'm gonna go ahead and rip this board so you see what it is. Ripping a 2x4. Basically, we just made two 2x2s out of one 2x4. Then I use these to build the coops and the plans. Thanks for watching.